Our planet, Earth, is a tapestry of astonishing beauty, woven with diverse landscapes, vibrant cultures, and a breathtaking array of life. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, the Earth offers an endless panorama of wonders. Join us now on a journey to discover some of the most beautiful countries in the world, each a testament to the extraordinary diversity and splendor of our planet. We will traverse continents, exploring the unique charms that make each destination exceptional. From the rugged wilderness of New Zealand to the ancient ruins of Greece, we'll uncover the stories etched into the very fabric of these lands. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant cultures, fascinating wildlife, and awe-inspiring landscapes that await us on this extraordinary adventure. Our journey begins in the southern Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the island nation of New Zealand. Often referred to as the land of the long white cloud, New Zealand is renowned for its dramatic landscapes, sculpted by ancient glaciers and volcanic forces. Towering mountains, their peaks often cloaked in mist, plunge into deep fjords, their waters reflecting the verdant forests that cling to their sides. Volcanoes, both dormant and active, dot the landscape, a reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped these islands. But New Zealand's beauty extends beyond its dramatic landscapes. This island nation is a haven for unique and fascinating wildlife, much of it found nowhere else on Earth. The kiwi, a flightless bird and a national symbol, is a testament to New Zealand's long isolation and the evolution of its remarkable biodiversity. From the southern hemisphere, we venture north to the heart of the Mediterranean, where we find Italy, a country steeped in history, culture, and undeniable beauty. Italy's charm lies in its iconic landmarks and everyday scenes, bustling piazzas, freshly baked bread, and the melodic Italian language. Ancient ruins, remnants of the Roman Empire, stand as testaments to Italy's rich past. Venice enchants with its canals and gondolas, a testament to human ingenuity. Beyond its cities, Italy's landscapes are equally captivating. Rolling hills blanketed in vineyards paint a picturesque scene. And let us not forget the Italian people, known for their warmth and love of good food and company. From the rugged peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the windswept shores of Nova Scotia, Canada is a land of breathtaking diversity and unparalleled natural beauty. Its vast wilderness, stretching from the Atlantic to the Pacific, is a testament to the raw power and splendor of the natural world. In the shadow of towering mountains, ancient forests teem with life. Here, grizzly bears roam through dense undergrowth, their presence a reminder of the wild heart that beats within this nation. Crystal clear lakes reflect the azure sky, their depths home to a myriad of aquatic creatures. Further north, the boreal forest stretches towards the horizon, an emerald tapestry woven with countless rivers and streams. This vast ecosystem is the lifeblood of countless species, from the mighty moose to the elusive lynx. And along Canada's extensive coastline, a rich tapestry of marine life unfolds. From the playful antics of seals to the awe-inspiring breaches of humpback whales, the ocean teems with wonders. Truly, Canada is a nation that embodies the spirit of adventure and the boundless beauty of the natural world. Nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Alps, Switzerland is a land of fairy tale landscapes and serene beauty. Here, snow-capped mountains pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests and meadows bursting with wildflowers. The sound of cowbells echoes through the valleys, a testament to the enduring traditions of Swiss farming. Crystal-clear lakes, fed by glacial meltwater, shimmer like jewels amidst the verdant landscape. Switzerland's beauty is not confined to its natural wonders. Picturesque villages, seemingly untouched by time, dot the landscape, their chalets adorned with colourful flower boxes. Cable cars transport visitors to dizzying heights, offering breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding peaks. It is a land of peace and tranquility, where the air is fresh and the pace of life refreshingly slow. From the romantic streets of Paris to the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera, France is a country that captivates the senses and stirs the soul. It is a land of contrasts, where bustling cities seamlessly blend with rolling countryside and ancient history meets modern sophistication. The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of French ingenuity, dominates the Parisian skyline, its intricate ironwork a testament to the artistry that permeates French culture. In the Louvre Museum, masterpieces of art from across the ages stand as a testament to the country's rich artistic heritage. But France's allure extends far beyond its iconic landmarks. The vineyards of Bordeaux and Burgundy produce some of the world's finest wines. Their delicate bouquets are testament to the terroir and the skill of generations of winemakers. And in the kitchens of Michelin-starred restaurants, chefs transform fresh local ingredients into culinary masterpieces, tantalizing taste buds and pushing the boundaries of gastronomic innovation. It is no wonder that France is considered by many to be the culinary capital of the world. From the rugged peaks of Scotland to the rolling hills of England, the United Kingdom offers a tapestry of diverse landscapes. The white cliffs of Dover welcome travellers, while ancient forests whisper tales of bygone eras. Castles and cathedrals stand as proud reminders of a rich past. The Tower of London echoes with history, while Stonehenge captivates with its mystery. In Scotland, Loch Ness and the Scottish Highlands offer haunting beauty and dramatic peaks. London, Edinburgh and Cardiff pulse with life, blending history and modernity. The United Kingdom invites exploration and discovery at every turn. Few places on earth can rival the raw, untamed beauty of Norway. This Scandinavian nation is a land of dramatic fjords, towering mountains and cascading waterfalls. The fjords, deep inlets flanked by towering cliffs, are Norway's most iconic feature. But Norway's wonders are not limited to daylight hours. As the sun sets, the aurora borealis, or northern lights, unfold. This celestial dance of lights is a truly unforgettable sight. Norway offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Australia, a landmass as old as time itself, stands as a testament to the power of isolation and the resilience of life. Bounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans, this island continent boasts unmatched diversity. From the arid outback to lush rainforests, Australia's landscapes are shaped by nature over millions of years. The Great Barrier Reef, a vibrant underwater world, is home to a dazzling array of marine creatures. Venture into the bush to encounter unique and fascinating creatures. Amidst this vast wilderness, vibrant cities thrive. Sydney, with its iconic Opera House and Harbour Bridge, is a bustling metropolis. Australia, a land of contrasts, offers a unique travel experience. From the azure waters of the Aegean Sea to the rugged peaks of Mount Olympus, Greece unveils a tapestry woven from ancient myths and breathtaking beauty. This sun-kissed land invites us to explore its timeless wonders. Our journey begins amongst the ruins of Athens, where the iconic Acropolis stands as a testament to ancient Greek ingenuity. Venture beyond the mainland to discover idyllic islands scattered across the Aegean and Ionian seas. Santorini offers a spectacle of unparalleled beauty. From the delicious cuisine to the warmth of the Greek people, this land captures the heart. South Africa, a land of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking beauty, where the wild spirit of Africa meets the sophistication of modern cities. From the iconic Table Mountain overlooking Cape Town to the vast savannas teeming with life, this is a land of unparalleled diversity. For many, the allure of South Africa lies in its remarkable wildlife. In Kruger National Park, one of the largest game reserves in Africa, lions stalk through golden grasslands, elephants gather at watering holes, and giraffes gracefully browse the acacia trees. Here, the ancient rhythms of the wild are played out on a grand scale. But South Africa's beauty extends far beyond its wildlife. The dramatic Drakensberg Mountains, with their jagged peaks and verdant valleys, offer breathtaking vistas. Along the garden route, dramatic coastlines give way to ancient forests and hidden lagoons, a paradise for hikers and nature lovers alike. And then there's the vibrant culture of the Rainbow Nation, a tapestry woven from diverse ethnicities, languages and traditions. From the bustling markets of Johannesburg to the Cape Malay cuisine of Cape Town, South Africa offers a sensory feast for the traveller. From the soaring skyscrapers of Manhattan to the sun-drenched beaches of California, the United States of America unfolds across the North American continent, a vast and varied land shaped by the forces of nature and the dreams of pioneers. In the American West, the Grand Canyon, a colossal chasm carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, stands as a testament to the immense power of geological time. Here, layer upon layer of rock reveal a story stretching back almost 2 billion years, a humbling reminder of our planet's immense age. Further north, Yellowstone National Park, the world's first national park, is a geothermal wonderland. Here, geysers erupt in plumes of steam, hot springs shimmer in vibrant hues, and bison roam amidst pristine forests and meadows. But the United States is more than just its natural wonders. From the bright lights of Broadway to the jazz clubs of New Orleans, this is a land of boundless energy and creativity, where cultures from around the world have come together to create something truly unique. Journeying south along the spine of the Andes, we arrive in Chile, a land sculpted by fire and ice. This slender nation stretches over 2,600 miles, encompassing a staggering diversity of landscapes from the arid Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, to the icy fjords and glaciers of Patagonia. The Andes, a formidable mountain range, dominates Chile's eastern border, their snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds. These towering giants, born of volcanic activity, are home to hardy creatures like the guanaco, a relative of the llama, and the Andean condor, a majestic bird with a wingspan that can exceed 10 feet. Descending from the heights of the Andes, we encounter a tapestry of valleys, lakes, and fertile plains. Here, vineyards thrive in the Mediterranean climate, producing world-renowned wines. Along the coast, the cold, nutrient-rich Humboldt Current supports abundant marine life, attracting a multitude of seabirds, including penguins, pelicans, and cormorants. Chile's dramatic landscapes are a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Yet, amidst these extremes, life finds a way, showcasing nature's resilience and the breathtaking beauty of this remarkable country. Our journey takes us to Iceland, the land of fire and ice. This island, shaped by volcanic eruptions and glaciers, showcases nature's raw power. Geothermal wonders provide renewable energy and shape the landscape. Fire and ice create stark contrasts with black sand beaches and glacial lagoons. Iceland is a land of myth where tales of trolls and elves abound. From the cascading glaciers of Patagonia to the vibrant streets of Buenos Aires, Argentina is a land of dramatic contrasts and captivating beauty. Here, the mighty Andes Mountains cast long shadows over vast plains, home to a rich tapestry of life. In the north, Iguazu Falls, a thunderous curtain of water, plunges into the rainforest, a testament to the raw power of nature. Further south, the plains, or pampas, stretch as far as the eye can see, a sea of green grazed by cattle and dotted with traditional estancias. Argentina's soul is deeply entwined with tango, a passionate dance that embodies the country's fiery spirit. Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital, pulsates with the rhythm of tango, its streets alive with music, dance, and a rich cultural heritage. And then there's Patagonia, a land of towering peaks, sapphire lakes, and ancient glaciers. Here, the Perito Moreno Glacier, a colossal river of ice, carves into the water with a thunderous roar, a spectacle that leaves visitors humbled by the sheer scale and grandeur of the natural world. Nestled along the azure waters of the Adriatic Sea, Croatia is a land of ancient cities, sun-drenched islands, and breathtaking natural beauty. Its coastline, a dazzling tapestry of turquoise bays and rugged cliffs, is dotted with over 1,000 islands, each with its own unique charm. From the ancient city walls of Dubrovnik, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the Roman ruins of Split, Croatia's history unfolds like chapters in a captivating novel. For centuries, these shores have witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, leaving behind a rich tapestry of culture and architecture. But Croatia's beauty extends far beyond its coastline. Inland, rolling hills are blanketed in vineyards and olive groves, while crystal-clear lakes and cascading waterfalls offer a tranquil escape. Plitvice Lakes National Park, with its interconnected lakes and cascading waterfalls, is a testament to the power of water to shape the landscape. Croatia, with its blend of history, culture, and natural splendor, is a destination that lingers in the memory long after the journey is over. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of the Caribbean, our planet is a tapestry of breathtaking landscapes and diverse cultures. Each destination offers a glimpse into the extraordinary beauty of our world. As we've journeyed through beautiful countries, we've witnessed nature's power to inspire and humble us. And while this journey ends, we hope it ignites a desire to explore more hidden treasures. Let us cherish and protect this fragile planet for future generations.